Welcome to AmbitionBox. In this short guide, we'll show you how to use the Auto Reply feature on the AmbitionBox Employer Dashboard. To get started, log in using your registered email ID. Enter the OTP sent to your inbox. Once you're logged in, go to Review Management from the left menu and click on Activate Auto Reply. Here you'll find the AI response option, where you can enable automatically generated replies tailored to each review. You can choose which ratings you want to respond to, either all ratings or only specific ones. You can also apply responses to past unresponded reviews, ensuring no review is left unanswered. And there's a custom note option, where you can add a message that will be appended at the end of every auto reply. For more control, switch to rating-wise templates to create different responses for different rating levels. Or you can click on Standard Template to apply one consistent response across all reviews. Once done, click on Activate Auto Reply. To update an existing setup, click on Manage Auto Reply. Here you can edit the pre-saved auto reply and save your changes, or you can pause auto replies. With Auto Reply, you can improve response coverage, reduce turnaround time, and ensure every review is acknowledged effortlessly. If you face any issues, please reach out to us via support@ambitionbox.com. Thank you.